Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start now by confirming airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi switch is enabled. You want the basics eliminated first. Power cycle the router, unplug, wait 10 seconds and plug back in to clear transient faults. Then open Settings, go to Network and Internet and run the network troubleshooter. It automates checks and often pins the issue. While it runs, note whether you see the SSID and signal strength. Once done, you'll have the first clear clue to proceed. Next, focus on the adapter and drivers because corrupted drivers cause most persistent drops. Open Device Manager and update the wireless adapter driver. Windows may fetch a newer version. If updates don't help, uninstall the adapter and restart so Windows reinstalls clean drivers. Also run command prompt as admin and execute netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset. This clears socket and IP stack issues that block connections. Make sure to restart after those commands to apply changes and retest Wi-Fi. Finish by cleaning up the saved network and verifying settings. Forget the SSID, then reconnect manually so you re-enter the correct password and security type. Mismatched security often blocks access. Ensure IP4 is set to obtain IP and DNS automatically, but if sites don't resolve, try 8 as a temporary DNS to rule out DNS issues. If problems persist, boot into safe mode with networking to isolate software conflicts, or, as a last resort, perform a router factory reset. One tip: keep another device to confirm the router is online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.